Hello everyone. My name is Jack and I'm part of the Visermark team. Our test results help in making an informed decision when buying a smartphone. Today, I will review another one of the Samsung smartphone series, the Samsung Galaxy A54 battery performance. Are you ready? The Samsung Galaxy A54 is an upgraded smartphone with a 6.4-inch AMOLED display, 120 Hz refresh rate, and Gorilla Glass 5 protection. It boasts a 20% CPU and 26% GPU boost from the Exynos 1380 chipset, and features a triple camera setup with improved image quality and a night mode feature. The phone comes in various storage and RAM options, runs on One UI 5.1 with Android 13, and offers up to 1.5 days of battery life with 25W charging support. The Galaxy A54 joins the mid-tier between €200 and €499. It has a tempting premium design and is a well-built smartphone. The Galaxy A54 performed well in the overall battery ranking performance, getting a score of 42 out of 100. The Galaxy A54 achieved 1.5 days of use, translating into 39 hours between charges. It scored 1 out of 5 for smartphone battery efficiency. This matches the Samsung Galaxy A34. The Samsung Galaxy A54 would use 4.2 kWh per annum taken from the Visermark battery performance testing. The Samsung Galaxy A54 achieved a smartphone battery performance score of 42 out of 100, being classified as a Visermark mid-tier, from €200 to €499. The A54 displayed comparable battery performance to the Oppo A78 and the Samsung Galaxy A34, tested recently in our labs. The Samsung Galaxy A54 has a battery capacity to 5000 mAh. Offering a good performance, it provides 1.5 days of daily usage. However, it falls behind the Oppo A78 and the Samsung Galaxy A34 in the mid-tier. Both comparable smartphones boast impressive battery life lasting up to 2 days, a standard feature among most smartphones in the mid-tier segment, ensuring sufficient daily usage. The Samsung Galaxy A54 is a dependable, budget-friendly smartphone with a 50MP triple rear camera, fast charging, and the latest OS version. Samsung provides 4 years of major OS updates and 5 years of security patches, ensuring extended usability. While not for peak performance seekers, it competes well in the mid-tier category, delivering a well-rounded experience. Stay tuned for our upcoming smartphone battery performance review. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment.